Hello everyone, my name is Rusted Branch, and welcome back to In Other Waters. There's that sound. I don't know why I like it so much, but I've made a few adjustments. Hopefully my head isn't in the way, but it might be, so I'll figure this out as we go. Man, I'm only 3% of the way into the game. So last time, we discovered we are playing as an AI controlling a suit. We're on an alien ocean planet where there's alien life that hasn't been discovered before. And I'm supposed to be messing with this, which I don't quite remember what I was supposed to be doing. Um, hmm. I can probably pick up more later, so I'll store these. I remember, because at the base I got, oh, lab. Jointed shells, stock scrapers. Oh, this is all the little information we found. How do I guess I only have... Oh, I can unlock a sketch later. I want to see that. Okay, I was just checking to make sure there wasn't a button prompt I was missing. Fungi, fungal stalks, reef stalks, sing, and signal. The big ones, the humming ones, and the bubbles. Haven't found any plant or bacteria. And... oh, added to the taxonomy. Okay. Oh, fungi, right. Showsack laboratory analysis shows that they are formed from... Actually, I will read this on my own. I'm not going to make you sit through this. Okay. So the shrill sacs are a mix of oxygen and carbon dioxide. They absorb oxygen from the surroundings, but the carbon dioxide is made inside. Oh, I already did that one, right? Oh, that's a little map of my person behind this thing. Yeah, I think that's the person I'm with doing all this stuff for me. Jointed shells, stock scrapers. Okay, so that's pretty simple. The stalks are very nutritious, and the shell scrapers have bigger and better shells the more they eat. Pretty standard. Oh, that is so cool. Observation blister? I have no idea what that is. Dive map. Oh. Oh my. So we're off over here. Yeah? Or is that where we need to go? Oh, that's where we need to go. We are here. I can't tell if that's a plane or an abyss. Probably a plane. And did I do everything in the lab? Oh, sing stock stuff. Oh, that's weird. Sing stalks aren't a single stalk, they're a colonial organism where the different stalks rubbing against each other creates that sound. Cool. I I love the ocean. I love biology. I love animals. And this game is kind of neat, you know? Man, you probably didn't see that, but load times in this game are terrible. Sandy shelf, smooth pebbles. build a new stock. So I need to go east. It's probably better to go northeast. Hang on, gotta remember how to... There we go. Oh, I don't have any... That's fine, I'm leaving the colony, so I shouldn't need those. Towering outcrop. Northern passage. And a layered outcrop. Let's go east. I think, yeah. East looks better. It's gonna take me a sec. I need to learn these controls. It's very confusing. More glittering stalks. I might go over there just to pack up on some supplies. Yeah, shrill sack. Okay. And now we're gonna go there. Make our way east to the source of the transponder signal. Yep, yep. Into the abyss. I don't know what to expect if that transponder is Mina's. There's some history between us, but I haven't seen her in years. Not since... Look, you don't need to worry about it. Let's just find her. Yeah, I kind of sense there was some history between you two since you decided to run all the way out to an alien planet on the hope of meeting her. I don't think this is where I wanted to go, but... Strange evenness to the walls of this cave. Almost as if it's a vast borehole drilled into the reef. Oh, that's concerning. I'm not expecting... Okay, well, yes, I'm expecting aliens, but I'm not expecting, like, sentient aliens. I'm expecting tunnel worms. What form these hollowed out caverns with their strange undulating walls? Ah, it's gonna be worms. I wonder how these stalks survive without sunlight. Well, we have no evidence that they need sunlight. Maybe they're fed by the forests above? What do you think? It's true that we've seen their root system, but I don't think that eliminates the possibility. I mean, that's fair. You don't normally see a root system. But if we're dealing with rock outcroppings, I don't think it's likely. Get some more shrill sacks if we need. Which we'll need. What is this trench? I know we're not going to be able to go down there, but I am curious. Trench animals are always interesting. That thing is big. What is that? Sporing stock. Yes, it is. They're filling the water with spores. We should start logging information on them. Pumping out clouds of short-lived spores. They look like oversized mushrooms. Short-lived spores. I guess that's a signaling thing, possibly? Or maybe that's the nutrient area that she was looking for. Let's see. We'll find out soon. And come on. No. My joysticks are terrible. Any more? Yep. These spores are different. These stalks nearby seem to be stimulated by them. Yeah, so they're probably signaling then. Could these spores be used to make stalks extend to bring them out of hiding? So the opposite of a shrill sac. Interesting. We should test them out on the retracted colony. What if I don't think that's a good idea? Unlike other stalk spores, which survive until they settle, these spores from the stalks dissolve moments after they are released. These sporing stalks seem to require very particular conditions to grow. I've seen few elsewhere on the reef. Another glittering stalk. I'm gonna harvest some shrill sacs just in case. Another rift. How can we cross it? The current here is so strong. We'll figure that out eventually. Okay, let's see if I can burn some of these shrill sacs for fuel. A little bit. I'll use some of these for fuel, maybe? Yeah, that worked much better. Okay. Okay. Secret tunnel, secret tunnel. I guess it's not really a secret, but then again, no one else is here to even know about it, so maybe it is a secret. Boom. Okay, so this is where we will need to use these things. It did in fact block the current. How about that? And they started giving off their own spores. Weird. They block the current. These spores encourage them to extend and fill the tunnel. With these soothe spores, we can control the stalks to our advantage. This will be useful. Pulsing growth. Fun. Now, why did we come over here? I guess I should get a scan of that somehow. Another sporing stalk. There's a definite correlation between struggling stalk colonies and these sporing stalks. Are they helping support the colonies? Interesting. Oh, look! Out in the rift, a retracted stalk colony. If we can get them extended, they'll provide shelter from the current. Interesting. Controls, why are you so hard? So can I cross here? Probably. Oh, looks like I'll need to do it again down there. Oh, that current noise is wild. I guess that is one thing with this game. Without much visuals, you have to rely on something, and sound is a good one. Huh. That was a really weird way to cross a canyon, but works for me. We are across. Thank you, Stocks. Oh, and thank you too. Thanks to you, too. Thank you to you, too. Weird way to phrase that, but alright. At first I thought we were in a dead end, and then I remember we're underwater. We can go up. Oh, okay, that's different. These stalks are twisted together in a huge canopy. Incredible! They are pulsing as the pores across the surface open and close. I'll start logging observations. Let's see what we can find out about them. Bright petals. Oh, probably photosynthetic. They're beautiful plants, single petals shifting in sunlight. Let's start logging data on them. So I think we found our first plants then. Feels to be good in the sunlight again. Let's head northeast along the fingers of the reef. The transponder's at the tip. I mean, if it is Mina, it's either just going to be the signal pack or she's dead. Because I don't think someone is going to sit on the edge of an ocean cliff unmoving for hours in normal circumstances. Oh, that's fine. I don't need them anyways. Oh, there's a base up ahead. These petals seem to shimmer as they twist open. It's difficult to tell if this is involuntary or part of the plant's own movement. The coloration of these canopies is much lighter than other stalks. They grow pale yellow in the light of Gliese 667cc's 3 suns. Right, I forgot we have 3 suns here. Let's see if I can get a sample of these. Nope, doesn't look like it. On some petals, there's thick clumps of pollen on the lower part. I wonder how this is dispersed. Seems too heavy to float away. Oh, are we going to have pollinator animals? Shimmer blooms. You were not good at naming things. Yeah, you named them that because of the way they catch the sunlight. I got that. I wish I could share these discoveries with Mina. There's still so much to say. Buddy, I'm pretty sure she already knows about this. I can get samples. I'm excited about getting fictional plant samples in a video game. There's another way station. Is that another way station ahead? Mina must have built them all across the reef. Yeah, I imagine so. Reef cap. Domed mushroom-like stalks which appear to support struggling stalk colonies. With their strange resemblance to terrestrial mushrooms, I'll call them reef caps. I guess that one's better, but you're still not very good at naming. And table stalks. Tables talk? Table stalk. I'm naming these table stalks after the table corals they remind me of. I'll log my notes back at the base. Okay, we're at the way station. We can see what data we can scrape together in this place. And gonna load. The log suggests Mine was using this as some kind of staging ground for expeditions over the drop-off. She was looking for something out in the ocean, something deep, from the descent she logged here. Mina doesn't do things at random. The way station, the research base, this is calculated. I feel like we are already 10 steps behind her, and we've barely even started. Let's get to the suit transponder. It isn't far from here. If we head straight north to the shelf's edge, it should be there. I know you said straight north, but what's over here? Doesn't seem like there's much here, but I can get a good look at the shelf. Strong current. Yeah, okay, I wasn't. There's no way I would be allowed to do that. It'd be fun. But this person doesn't seem to be as adventurous as I am when exploring an alien ocean. So I guess we got 3 new species. No new animals, but plants are nice. As long as they're not trying to kill you. I see something at the edge. Is that the suit? Probably. Mina's suit. Open, empty, and half sunk in sand. Why would she leave it here? More importantly, where did she go? It's definitely Mina's suit, but no Mina. Surely she isn't okay. Let's not jump to conclusions. I want to take a look at this. I can't have been here long. Most of it is still in good condition. But how did it get out here? There's no evidence of injury. A malfunction, perhaps? What do you think? Did she scuttle it? All I can say is yes or no. No, you're right. Then she left it on purpose, abandoned it. Did she intend us to find it? Mina, why did you get yourself into here? It's better equipped than our suit, but its seals have started to decay. What's this? Mina's rigged up some kind of custom propulsion system, probably to deal with the currents. We can use this. We need a power source. It won't run off the suit system. Seems like she fashioned some kind of microbial fuel cell? Okay, I don't know what that is, but it sounds awesome. We'll need to recreate that if we want to use it. Okay, let's go back to the base so I can take a better look. Mina, you better not have done something stupid. I didn't come all this way out here to bury you. Let's go. Call a drone for our pickup. Yep, there we go. Another successful dive. Hopefully I don't get the bends. Downtime 5.1 hours. Okay. Back with me? Whoop. Good to hear. Let me update you. I've spent the past few hours working on Mina's suit. Bad news is the majority of it's unusable. Apart from the propulsions Miss Mina pulled together, but we're going to need power source. Mina's suit logs mention her building a fuel cell using microbes from the Western Reef. But they don't say much else. She's been incredibly secretive while she was here. Covering her tracks across the reefs as if there was someone watching her, or if she's just... I don't know. The Mina I knew is tricky, complicated, but not paranoid. Either way, if we want to recreate her propulsion system, we'll need those microbes. When you're ready, let's head to the Western Stock Forest and see what we can find. Whoop. I'm back. Well, before I go this time, I want to throw some more samples at the lab. Oh, I gotta store them. What? Bright pollen. Okay, from the shimmer blooms. And the pseudospore. Shimmer bloom taxonomy updated. Not what I wanted to do, game. I want to get both of these first so I can look at the databases together. Alright. Reef cap. Okay, yeah, pseudospores aren't spores because they're not a reproductive thing. The pseudospores are more like nutrient packets, which is why they dissolve into clouds. The clouds can just be taken up. And for shimmer blooms... Okay, so shimmer blooms have heavy pollen to possibly resist currents and make it easier for animals to mess with and not be sucked down into the depths of the ocean. Crew terminal. Ellery Vas. I'll read this on my own, but thank you so much for watching. This game, I don't know, I'm gonna keep with it. I like it. So, I hope you'll stick with me, and see you in the next one. Bye!